Guys, here we are, season 3, episode 5, part 2. It's our last one for this one. It's dinner, and we're doing a pork tray bake, lovely roasted vegetables. Let's do it. All right, so let's put it all together. For this, you're just gonna need a large roasting tin. Ingredients wise, got a punnet of radishes, give them a wash. 3 leftover potatoes, we've washed them, diced them large, skin on. We have pork, which we have marinated in piri piri and trimmed up. Our leftover cauliflower cut into florets. Our last onion cut into florets. And then also some tomatoes. Let's get it done. Easy peasy dish to do. Our potatoes, they need the longest time cooking. We're gonna get them in for 10 minutes, oiled up with a little salt and pepper on the tray. Good glug of oil. Good whack of salt and pepper. Little tumble. Straight in the oven, 10 minutes, let's do it. Alexa, set the timer for 10 minutes. Potatoes have had 10 minutes. Let's get them out. We're gonna add in our cauliflower and our radishes. Our radishes. Cauliflower in. Radishes, radii in. No more salt and pepper. A little drizzle of oil. A little shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake a booty. And then back in the oven for 10 minutes. All right guys, so that's another 10 minutes up. We're gonna get it out again, add our onions, our pork and our tomatoes. Oh yeah, it's looking good. All right, in we go with our toms and our onions. A little bit of a shake up. And we're just gonna take our pork, just lay it over the top. Another little dressing of oil. Salt and pepper on the pork. And that's it, another 12 minutes and then we are done. Let's do it. Alexa, set timer, 12 minutes. Okay, and our 12 minutes are up. That means our pork is done. Let's get it out and let's eat. Oh yeah. There we go. So that is a 1 tray wonder. All bits of leftovers. We've got leftover cauliflower, we've got leftover tomatoes, onions, our pork, chucked in some radishes. We've got a full meal. So our pork and veggies are done. Let's get stuck in. Oh yeah. That's really good. Not many people roast radishes. Absolutely amazing. That peri peri seasoning, that's a champion. 45 pence. I just elevated everything. That is it. We are done. That is season 3. We've got more videos coming soon. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, get the word out. Cooking with Ash, #5for25. Thank you very much. See you later.